We are going to discuss about chapter 3, chemical reaction and equation. Initially I am going to take revision, and then I am going to discuss multiple choice questions. A chemical reaction is a process in which some substances undergo bond breaking and are transformed into new substances by formation of new bonds. The substances taking part in a chemical reaction are called reactants, whereas the substances formed as a result of chemical reaction by formation of new bonds are called products. A chemical reaction is represented by writing a chemical equation. When two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product, it is called combination reaction. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. The reaction in which the place of the ion of less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions is called displacement reaction. The reaction in which the ions in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reactions. Here are the factors on which reaction depends. A. Nature of the reactants. B. Size of the particles of the reactants. C. Concentration of the reactants. D. Temperature of the reaction. E. Catalyst. The substance in whose presence the rate of chemical reaction changes without causing any chemical change to it is called a catalyst. The chemical reaction in which a reactant combines with oxygen or loses hydrogen to form the product is called oxidation reaction. When the positive charge on an atom or an ion increases or the negative charge on them decreases, it is called oxidation, and when the positive charge decreases or the negative charge increases, it is called reduction. Apart from this, there are two more type of reactions. One is endothermic and another one is exothermic. In endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed, and in exothermic reaction, heat is given out. Here is the first question. When the electric current is passed through acidulated water, of water takes place. Options are A. Electrolysis, B. Displacement, C. Double displacement, D. Oxidation. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. Electrolysis. Addition of an aqueous solution of ZnSO4 to an aqueous solution of BaCl2 is an example of dash 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 reaction. A. Displacement, B. Double displacement, C. Electrolysis, D. Decomposition. Your time starts now. The correct answer is double displacement. In this reaction, both Zn and Ba ion replaces each other. Here it will form BaSO4 and this will give ZnCl2. The conversion of ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate is dash 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 reaction. Options are A. Displacement, B. Reduction, C. Oxidation, D. Decomposition. Your time starts now. And here is the correct answer, C. Oxidation. In the conversion of ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate, the positive charge on the ferrous ion increases, and increase in the positive charge is nothing but oxidation reaction. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called dash 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 reaction. A. Decomposition, B. Combination, C. Displacement, D. Double displacement. Here is your time. And the correct answer is A. Decomposition. In the chemical equation, the dash are written on the left hand side. A. Catalyst, B. Reactants, C. Element, D. Products. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. React. Writing a chemical reaction in a brief by using chemical formulae is called as A. Chemical change, B. Chemical symbol, C. Chemical equation, D. Chemical reaction. Here is your time. The correct answer is C. Chemical. When the positive charge on an ion increases or the negative charge on them decreases, it is called as dash. A. Reduction, B. Corrosion, C. Oxidation, D. Decomposition. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. Oxidation. The factors affecting the chemical reaction are A. Nature of the reactant, B. Size of the particle of the reactant, C. Concentration of the reactant, D. All above. Here is your time. The answer is D. All above. The reaction in which the place of the ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ion is called A. Displacement, B. Corrosion, C. Combination, D. Decomposition. Here is your time. And the correct answer is A. Name the reaction. Calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Options are A. Decomposition, B. Displacement, C. Combination, D. Electrolysis. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. Decomposition. Thank you.